It's mama and baby. And they chatter, really chatter at each other. There's an American goldfinch. So cute. See the mama on the left? She's gonna go feed her baby. Ooh. Sorry. Is that cute? Oh, darn. I have torn rotators, so I can't. Hang on. I'll try to get closer. They're not afraid of me because I've been around them every day. I don't know which one's the mama. I'm pretty sure they're hairy woodpecker species, but I may have it wrong. I'm going to check with Lesley the Bird Nerd. I think this is the baby. He's got baby fat. He just chatters because he's so excited about having those sunflower seed hearts and peanut butter. And we have an American goldfinch right there. Try and get closer. Oh, flew away. Anyway, wasn't that sweet? As you can see, we're surrounded by thousands of acres of forest. And below us is the Clackamas River. This tree blocks our view in the summer, but you know what? I love it because it has all the birds. Hear the woodpecker. He's somewhere in here. Sure got quiet once the evening grosbeaks took off. They were noisy. Sadly, they were only here for 2 weeks before they left, and then another small flock came in. But they're on their way to Canada. I don't know if we'll get them back next summer or spring. They're pretty sporadic in their migration. But they're one of my favorite birds. They're a lot of work. I went through 50 pounds of black oil sunflower seeds in 2 weeks. And a 25-pound bag of the sunflower hearts. I put it in that feeder. It's supposed to be squirrel proof, but yeah, right. Anyway, and then these, I take curtain fabric with smaller holes, and I make these hanging sacks that I fill with thistle seed. And the thistle bags that you buy waste a lot of seed, but anyway, they're always fun to have. Sometimes I'll have 5 or 6. In one picture at my other house, I have 22 birds, American goldfinch, hanging on one of these thistle bags. But that was at our other house across the street. There's a gun range down below, so that does bring down the value of our house, but I don't care. We're used to listening to it. Not sure if we're going to buy the house in Turner. Larry says if we move, we need to move out of state. So if we don't get that house, then we will either just settle down and not move anywhere or move out of state, which if things get any worse here in the Pacific Northwest, we're going to move out of state. This is crazy. We want to move farther out of the city than we are here. Anyway, we love it here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check out Lesley the Bird Nerd. She's awesome. If you're into birds, check her out. God bless you.